Good Tuesday morning. This is 106.1 KYVZ. Joe Missouri visiting with Ag meteorologist Chris Schramek at Decision Weather Now, as well as America's Weather Streaming Channel. Chris, looks like, a freeze warning is now in place for the area, at least this evening and overnight.
Yeah, Joe, the Weather Service has expanded the freeze watch now to a freeze warning to include all of our counties along Highway 25 in Nebraska and Kansas and all the way to the east. The reason for that is we've got this Canadian high pressure that's sliding southward into Iowa, and that's backing that cold air into the area with some northeasterly winds. So our weather map this morning has these northeast winds at 15 to 30 miles per hour out over central Nebraska, eastern Nebraska, northeast Kansas. And in that area, we got temperatures that range from 35 to 40 degrees. That colder air is being pulled into and over us this afternoon. With this front that's backing into the area. It now sits from Imperial through McCook and Norton, where we've got the northeast winds at 15 to 25 miles per hour, and those colder temperatures in the upper 30s to around 40. You get to Colby, we got 47. We got 50 out there in Burlington, 47 in Lyman. Got a northwesterly breeze and downsloping, so it is warmer out there. And that cold air is going to come back over the area, and they're thinking it's going to set up, right along that Kansas-Colorado border. So overnight lows will be warmer out to the west, colder off to the east. We expect them to be right around that 30, 32 degrees here in Atwood, and then upper 20s to the east, and then upper 30s as you go to the west. Afternoon highs will top out right around 55, 56 degrees. These northeast breezes will continue. And then tonight, when those skies remain clear and the winds calm down, that's when we'll have the freeze during the early morning hours. Temperatures will quickly rebound, however. The next 2 days, we're going to be heading towards 70 tomorrow afternoon and then 80 for Thursday afternoon. And what's going to happen is that high pressure is going to move off to the east coast. That's going to allow an upper-level low to come from the northwest over the Rockies, and it does look like that develop and deepen a couple Colorado lows that'll come over the Colorado mountains and across the plains. First one Friday night and Saturday, then a second one Sunday into Monday. With those two low pressures, that gives it enough time to bring some south winds out ahead of it on Wednesday and Thursday. They'll be gusting 20, 30, 50 miles per hour. That'll elevate our fire concerns, but it'll also pull Gulf moisture northward from the Gulf out ahead of those storm systems for Friday night and the weekend to give us, now the computer models are showing some very beneficial rain. It is showing 3-day totals of anywhere from 1 to 3 inches with that moisture in place and the two disturbances coming across the Rockies. So warmer temperatures leading up to that. When them colder air, the winds will continue to blow over the weekend. We'll see north and south direction behind and in front of those 30, 40 mile an hour gusts, pulling that moisture into place. We'll see showers and thunderstorms develop Friday night, continue through Monday morning. Could have some locally heavy rain at times and maybe even some isolated severe weather, mostly wind gusts reaching that 60 miles per hour. So looks like a rainy period Friday night through Monday. Temperatures will be in the 60s. Overnight lows will be right around that 40 to 45 degrees. So we won't see any snow. And if there is any snow, it'll be confined to the mountains, Boulder, the Front Range communities in Denver. And up on top, we'll see the snow. And out here on the plains, we'll hopefully catch the rainfall that'll alleviate our drought conditions, which are going to elevate the fire conditions on Thursday and Wednesday because of the dryness and the severe drought we have over the area as we got wheat in the ground and we need to get it out of the ground.
Once again, that's Ag meteorologist Chris Schramek at Decision Weather in Atwood, as well as America's Weather Streaming Channel. For KYVZ Radio, I'm Joe Missouri.